Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add text to image in Leonardo AI. So this is really useful for creating posters, social media posts, or AI generated artworks with captions. So make sure that you have the full AI editing features before proceeding. So the first thing that you will have to do after logging in, you will just have to go to the canvas editor, which is on the left panel of your screen, and you will just have to wait for it to load. And once you're here, you should see the upload button or the upload feature. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on the layout of your version or your screen. So once you see the upload image option, you will just have to click that, and then once you click that, you will just have to select the text tool, which is right here. So what you will have to do is you will just have to click on the area that you want the click on the area where you want to add your text. So for example, this area right here. And now what you will have to do is you will type your desired text, and then you could just choose your font here if you want Times Romance or Verdana. It really depends on you, but there are a lot of fonts that you can choose from. So for example, this font right here. So as you can see, the font has been changed, and if you also want the font color to change, then you are free to do so, and of course the size as well. And yeah, you could also use AI suggestions to style the text or integrate it naturally in the image. So yeah, there should be somewhere right here, or you could also use the AI prompt back so that you will be able to actually describe what you want or something like that. So yeah, that's basically just it, and you could just preview the result and reposition or size as needed. And once you're satisfied, make sure to export your image. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.